Hi, I'm Chris Hoffman, Catchment Officer here at Lockyer Valley Regional Council. This project is funded by the Resilient Rivers Initiative and is about stabilising the creek bank and preventing further erosion in major flood events. This project has been some time in the making, has involved extensive hydrological investigation, assessment and then prioritisation to find sites that are most at risk of future damage, and then building designs for those sites that will help stabilise in major flood events.
This area was severely impacted by the flooding in 2011, 13 and 22, and because of that it has caused massive damage along our waterways up here at the top of the valley.
There's 3 priority sites that have been identified, and the designs for those sites involve placement of large amounts of rock to reinforce the creek bank and also to create rock groins that extend out into the creek to help slow down the velocity in major flood events and reduce that erosion. The first site is just upstream from Hans Bridge and is on a creek bank that is suffering some major erosion where we're losing a lot of farmland soil and there'll be impacts to the road in a future event. The second site is at Litfins Road, where the creek has left its banks in the past and is at risk of doing the same and creating a permanent channel into the road itself. And the third site is just downstream from Junction View Hall, where the creek has come in very close proximity to Mount Sylvia Road. The works will take for each site approximately 2 to 3 months to construct with the rock, and then following that there'll be a period of revegetation which will take at least 6 months to install and then be maintained for a period of 3 to 5 years.
Mount Sylvia and the surrounds will be able to access a road network much easily. They will have that connectivity to the outside world, whereas before, during the impacts of the floods, many of the residents in this particular area were just cut off.
So this project is all about building resilience back into this system. There has been a significant amount of spend and recovery work done in this area after flood events, and anything we can do to reduce that is good for the community and helping future-proof by just a more resilient system that can deal with major flood events.